Hello and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it as always. And please subscribe, click the like button, share this video. We really appreciate your comments. We'd love to hear from you guys. Today we are going to draw Lamar Jackson. We have one other video of Lamar Jackson that we did a while ago. It's a little more cartoony for little kids. Today we're going to do maybe a little more complex, just kind of following our new style. Lamar Jackson played for the Louisville Cardinals in college, won the Heisman Trophy, was a first-round draft pick number 32, and MVP in 2019. Has many NFL records and is a very hot player right now, pushing his team to the Super Bowl possibly this year. So, also we just picked up, me and my kids just picked up this Lamar Jackson rookie card from 2018. He's there in his Louisville Cardinals uniform, and we're really excited about this one. Rated a 10, so it's the best you can get. And we're excited. So let's draw Lamar Jackson. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across. Find the pointed tip of your dark marker. And we will draw Lamar Jackson's head cartoon style right here. Lamar Jackson has a square jaw and kind of a longer chin. So we're going to go down, kind of down pointed, up, angle up, straight up. So we went down, we made this long angle, bump, bump, long angle up and up, okay? We will do a couple of ovals on the side for ears. We're gonna go up, arch down to the other ear. Now on the side right here, we're gonna arch up for the hairline. We'll stop in the middle, go down, go up, arch around the other side of the head and connect to the ear. That's the part of his hair. Okay, so let's do a couple of sideways ovals, kind of on a slant a little bit. Lamar Jackson has maybe smaller eyes than some of our other players. We'll do a circle on the inside, circle on the inside, that'll stay white. Small circle in the corner, small circle in the corner, that'll stay white. Arch, arch, and we're going to color in these areas. We're going to leave those circles on the inside of his eyes white. Those are the highlights, and if you've watched our channel, you know that the highlights are the reflections of the sun or the lights of the stadium, and it brings our characters to life. We are going to grab our light blue really quick. I like to color in this bottom section blue. Some type of color like a blue. It's like the blue sky reflecting off the player's eyes, or maybe it's the stadium lights. All right, there we go. So we're getting back to our dark marker. We're gonna go straight across for eyebrows, straight across, and then kind of arch down. Color those eyebrows in. We'll go up and connect to a point, color those in. Now the edge of his eye, bring it down. Edge of his eye, bring it down, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose. So we're gonna go up, kind of flat. Color in the nostrils, make the nostrils kind of like sideways raindrops a little bit. Arch, arch. All right, looking good. So his mouth, we're gonna find the center of his face. The mouth can be like right here, a little high. It's got kind of a bigger chin, so we're gonna go up, down and out, up, down and out. He's got a little opening. We'll color that in with our dark marker. Kind of a bigger bottom lip. Is that top lip starts on the edge over here, so up, down, up, and connect to the edge of the mouth. Up and down scribbles. So it starts wide, so lots of big scribbles on the edge of the mouth, and then little as we go to the middle of his nose. So little up and down scribbles, and then get bigger as you go to the edge. There's his mustache. He's got a little chin beard there. He's got some scribbles on the chin right here for his beard. Okay, and his beard kind of goes up, and his beard kind of goes up and into his cheek there. We'll do his hair last. So bring his neck down. He's got a wide neck. And we're gonna bring it down to a V point. There we go. Arch for the shoulder pad. Arch for the shoulder pad on the right side. Round out that shoulder. Round out that shoulder. Then we're gonna slowly go down to the waist. Straight across. Skinny waist. Angle up to the other armpit shoulder pad area. And there we go. Let's do some legs. We'll do down, arch, and up, like big U's. Down, big U, and connect to the waist. He's fast, he's got long legs. So we're gonna start wide up here at the knee. Come down, skinny toward the ankle. Wide up top and skinny toward the ankle. Connect. The shoe, there's the tongue of the shoe. The tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces on that shoe. And 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces right there. We'll bring his cleats over to the edge of the page, straight across on the bottom. Stop, connect to the heel. Bring his heel down, stop, straight across to the edge of the page. Round up that toe and connect to the shoelace. There we go. Let's do a big football on this side. He's getting ready to throw a touchdown pass, or maybe he's gonna run it. He likes to run a lot. If you like Lamar Jackson, let us know what you think. Who your favorite players are, who you're hoping to win the Super Bowl this year. 4 circles for fingers, grabbing onto that football. Bump, hiding behind the football, okay? Bump, and hide behind that football. Over here we'll do a big hand. Thumb, down and up to the finger. 1 finger, 2, 3, 4, and connect to the thumb, okay? He's kind of doing a, maybe like a Heisman pose or a stiff arm against one of the defenders. So bump, bump into the hand. Bump into that thumb, and there you go. Cool, so let's do the number 8. We're gonna do, what we'll do is we'll get this, what color should we get? For the, it's kind of a beige color. Let's see if this one works. Yeah. We'll go big 8. Okay. I'm making it kind of thicker on the outside there. There we go. Get the black marker back. A couple of ovals on the inside for the 8. There's 1 vertical oval and 2. Those will be colored in. The jersey we're gonna do is gonna be the dark Baltimore Ravens black jersey. And we got, we're gonna color the socks in black. We'll do that in the fast forward. So I'm gonna scribble those in so you can see. I'm gonna bring down a black stripe, another thick black stripe, stripe of the white on the side there. And we'll do purple real quick, Baltimore Ravens purple. We're gonna do, the pants will be purple, we'll color those in. And then over here on the edge of the jersey, we're gonna color this edge in purple. And the rest will be black. Cool. So before we let you see the fast forward, I'm gonna get the dark marker again, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do over here. We're gonna start right here. We'll do a kind of a snake looking shape. This will be one of the braids. Lamar Jackson has these braids coming down. There's another one over here. Color those in. Maybe there's one up here kind of flinging out. It's kind of like these snake shapes. There's one down here. And maybe one down, kind of going down low. He's got one down here, going down low behind his ear, let's say. And then the rest of his hair will be colored with our dark marker. We're gonna leave that part. We'll color that part in the middle. We'll color that a flesh color in a minute here, and we'll fast forward. So now we have pretty much Lamar Jackson blocked in how we like him. And we are going to do flesh color, dark black jersey, purple pants, black socks, brown football. We have Lamar Jackson ready to rock from the Baltimore Ravens. Let us know what you think. Please subscribe, and we'll see you soon. So fast forward now.